Thank
Rick,
you,
before
Scott.
you do that, you could help me out real quick. Is that I'm registered, so I've got and I can go to my dashboard, and I've purchased the 10-pack, but I'm not seeing anything in the dashboard that shows that I'm subscribed. Is there
That's
something on the
correct.
back end that's supposed to happen?
Yes, we actually have to during this session manually give you your portals.
Okay,
Patrick,
okay.
you want to take over a screen, and I'm going to add whatever portals are been purchased up to now.
I'm gonna make Brian the presenter right now, so we can watch this whole process being done with him. Is that okay, Brian?
That's
Hang on a second.
So whenever you're ready, just go ahead and hit the accept button, Brian. Okay, now are we able to upsell the service reputation management? Yes, Finu. I just call you Finn. How's that? So now we're able to upsell the service from reputation management to other services. Absolutely. That's the whole idea, is to get you in the door on something cheap but extremely valuable to the business owner. And from there, you can, depending upon your rapport ability to communicate with the client, you can do SEO, you can do video marketing, you can do GMB marketing, you can do maps marketing. If you're so inclined, you can do pet grooming. So yes, that's the whole idea. Simple, cheap service, get you in the door, create the rapport, and begin to upsell them everything in your kitchen cabinet. Hope that made sense.
So, Patrick, I'm not ready to show my screen on stuff. I've got things in there that I prefer not to have public.
Yeah, I can do the onboard of a sample and show you how to private label that.
That's fine.
That'd be great.
2 minutes to get Brian and Sam up and running.
Well, stay online, because you're you're the one that has one, so you can ask questions during this process. Okay.
That'd be fabulous. Thank you.
All right, cool. In order to do this, we need to have somebody with 10, Scott, because it's going to be showing the white label. And if you would do a little bit more business out there in Arizona and, start selling some more wine boxes to some businesses, you could go to those and buy 10 yourself.
All right.
By the way, everybody, Scott Powell that's on here is he's part of the crew here. He doesn't sell wine boxes.
Part of my challenge, Patrick, is going to be that I'm going to transition off of a service that I already use.
Cool.
Migrate some over here and get them up and going.
Okay. Why are you migrating?
Partly is the cost issue.
Okay. So we're saving you a boatload of money?
It's not a boatload. I got in on a system early on that, so I've been grandfathered in, but I've been migrating more and more stuff over to sort of the GMB focus, and that's not where some of the other tools are at.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this capability integrated into some of the other GMB tools and some of the other RFR tools, as well as I brought it up before, but it would be really great if on the development plan for the Review Factory is to get some APIs so you can integrate it into some CMS systems, because just as you were alluding to a minute ago, the follow-up with customers at a future date would be tremendous for email marketing, et cetera.
Right. Well, that's something that we could take a look at. I mean, Rick is directly in contact with the developer.
Right.
So, I mean, that's his guy. So just so that everybody knows and has full disclosure, Rick and Scott are the two gentlemen that I'm working with to build this whole system out for us. So if you go to him and ask him to build something, he's going to tell you no, he won't do it. That's why I have them here, because he's looking in the back end right now. They are the builders, and we do have a developer over in somewhere across the pond there. So I just want everybody to know this is not my sole product. I got a couple of questions like, well, did you say that if you're in the mastermind, everything you come out with, we get for free? And the answer to that question is yes. And the qualifier was everything I come out with, where I don't have a partner or I don't have other expenses, right? So in this particular case, we are partnering with Rick and Scott on this project. Does that make sense? But anyway, Scott Rogers is here, and he is incredible. If you're looking for gifts or presents that are unique, his wine boxes that he makes, and he made some for us, are just incredible and very inexpensive, and they're all hand custom made. His name is Scott Rogers, and he's in Arizona. So,
All right.
Where it's nice and sunny and warm today.
not here, but
No,
it's
I'm in Tempe, Arizona.
Tempe. Okay, well, you and Scott ought to go out and have some lunch together. He's a cool guy, man.
Yeah,